grouting the floor now, DIYs. I'll put in a bit of grout and just trim that up there, and then it can be painted. I'm coming back to do the floor, so I don't need to pull out those wedges or silicone along there today, because it's all going to be this floor tile now, because that absolutely screams at this. So we have our strip drain. I love the set out. To me that is a strip drain at its best. I love them. Absolutely love the strip drain. Alright, should we take that out? And then I can grout it. Sometimes I don't have a dropper to the strip drain, but because the holes are too small, sometimes it's a like where the bath has been, and it's only a 40mm pipe, but this is a lot bigger pipe, so it's brilliant. Best ever. So the screen will be up there coming along. It'll drop down. There's probably going to be about 150, 200mm of glass, and then an open door. You just walk straight in. But I've got heaps of fall. There's probably 15mm fall in that distance. I did recommend a very light grout on the shower floor, not the white. It's better to have a little bit of light grey on your shower floor. Not white DIY. Even if you're an office worker, it's too hard to keep clean. These tiles here on the aluminium were put in with silicone, not glue. I sort of think that the silicone sticks to the aluminium better than glue. So I'll wipe that off in a ticky-doo. And soon I'll be, a little bit of a hole, soon I'll be siliconing it. Alright everyone, that's neat, eh? 12x6 tile, shiny. Just filling in this, and then it can be painted DIYs. silicon. I could have siliconed it or no more gaps, but I haven't got the no more gaps, and Grout is just as good. It doesn't need, I didn't have enough of my white. I could only get a small amount this morning from the tile shop, so I'm using the floor grout, but it's all going to be painted and it'll look gorgeous when it's finished. Too fiddly to go around. The owner was thinking of having me tile above the mirror and around the doorway, but it's pointless. It'll look better the way it is. It just all finishes it off nicely. And there you have it. I'll do the silicone now. I'll just have to go downstairs, get my paddle pop stick. Lovely, tell your mum. Okay, here I'm going to put my same square bead across here and tile down. The owner likes that idea, so that's what I'll be doing. What else? I need to just dry. I'll run around with a towel and just dry things off so I can do the silicone. All right, people. See you soon.